My name is Ben Cardle, and I'm the deductionist. I'm also an author as well, and I'm from England, right in the middle of England, Stoke-on-Trent. I think what sets this course, this event, this time apart from any other is the fact that there's no BS about anything. You're given a technique, you're taught it, you make it work. There's no stories, there's no fluff, there's no please buy my product because it's amazing. You're taught something that works, you're shown that it works, and it works. Again, what sets Chase apart from anyone else, in my opinion, is that 90% of the other speakers I've come across will come from a background of reading books or reading this or thinking about this, whereas Chase comes from a background of doing this, using it, working it, testing it. And that's a background that you want to hear from when you're learning a method, no matter how new it is. And he gets to talk to you about it in a very direct, simplistic way, and that's makes this information much more palatable than a textbook filled with jargon. Professionally, I have to give the impression that I can read things into other people that I couldn't possibly be able to do. So this takes every facet of that skill and ramps it up like 3 or 4 notches to be able to read people more completely, just to understand them on a deeper level, so I can give my impression that I can read their minds, you know. Well, I like to consider myself an omnivorous reader, and the short and sweet answer, no. Never before have I come across information like this. The most surprising thing I learned was how quickly and how simply you can engineer somebody to have transformative change that's very profound for them. You know, the impression is that it would usually take a bit of time or a considerable wealth of work. Not so, thanks to this course. I say this not to be crass or for a cheap laugh, but the importance of a good loo break, because once you sit down, you're in the zone of information. You don't want to get up and leave, because you're getting gold nugget after gold nugget after gold nugget after gold nugget, and tensions build. Speak to him. Don't be hesitant over any sort of aesthetic value, because if you talk to him, you'll understand its worth and then hit buy now, or whatever the button says, because you won't regret it. It's that simple.